Mark, she was at the Cost house when Charlie went to the pool.
He's checking us out.
Dad's freaking out. Yeah, well that's good. Oh my gosh, you guys.
Want a little breakfast cereal?
And they've got the infinity pool, and the little monkey is right there on the edge of the infinity pool drinking out of the water. Oh, he's getting ready to go. Oh, there he is.
How high can he jump? He's going to jump, for God's sakes.
But he's just looking at us and we're just taking a ton of pictures. You guys, this is the most beautiful place. The scenery.
Seriously.
Awesome.
That's about a 25-foot jump.
Okay,
I'll be damned.
I'll let y'all go and I'll let you guys.
There he goes.
Well, but Kimberly, I'm going to worry because you're not going to
I
work.
can tell by the way it's supposed to camera that he was doing your video.
Yeah, well, what
Maybe we can
Bye-bye.